Insert 1/4 cube of fresh yeast, 11 grams. Add 130 grams of water. Add 10 grams of butter. Place the measuring cup on the lid of the mixing bowl. Heat for 3 minutes, 37 degrees Celsius, speed 2. Add 250 grams of semi-coarse flour. Add 5 grams of granulated sugar. Add 5 grams of salt. Place the measuring cup on the lid of the mixing bowl. Knead for 3 minutes, kneading mode, wheat symbol. Let the dough rise for 1 hour in the mixing bowl. Tip: you can let it rise in another bowl. Transfer the risen dough onto a floured surface and divide it into 5 pieces. Roll out with a rolling pin into an ellipse about 25 centimeters long. Roll into the shape of a roll and place on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Repeat the process until all rolls are shaped. Cover with cling film and let rise again for 40 minutes. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees Celsius. Place a deep tray in the bottom part of the oven. After rising, remove the foil, brush the rolls with water, and place them into the preheated oven. Quickly pour a glass of water into the bottom tray in the oven and close the oven quickly. Bake for 15 minutes, 250 degrees Celsius. Set the timer and monitor the baking time. Let the rolls cool, then serve.